This time we are going to talk about how to learn how to thread a bobbin with a smoking thread. This is what we call a smoking thread. So this is what we call a bobbin, just like I said earlier. So now to thread a bobbin thread with a smoking thread, you will place it this way, as you can see. Then you first roll it to the bobbin. This time around, when smoking a thread when threading a bobbin with a smoking thread, you don't use machine, you use your hand, because you will need to drag it, that is, you elast it the way you want it to be on the dress. Then you will start rolling it. You elast it to the end. You can see the way I did it. You elast it, you see that I draw it. Then you start threading it. You start threading it. You start threading it with your hand to your satisfaction. Maybe you want it full or half, to the size of the clothing you want to use it to sew. You understand? So you can see when I'm threading it, I'm dragging it, that is, I'm elasting it to the end. You can see it. You can see it. So I'm elasting it, then I'm using it to what? To thread it. You can see that. You can see that. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then after that, you cut it. Then you hold it with your hand. You can see it so that it will not loose, because you've already tightened it. Then you place it to your shuttle this way. You get it? Then you bring it out here, just like your normal thread. You can see it. You see that it skips. That is how it is. Then you place it inside your shuttle area in your machine. You open the plate, the machine plate. Then you put it inside. You can see that. After putting it inside, you bring it out by turning the machine as if you want to sew. Then you place your dress. You can see that this dress, this is the back of the dress. You can see the thing writing abnormally. That is the back, the inside of the dress. And this is the outside. You can see the writing, that this is correctly written. So this is the front and this is the back. So when you want to sew a threading wear, you want to sew a cloth using a smoking thread, you make sure that this thread here, is sewing the front part, which is the front, while the smoking thread appears at the inside, so that it will not be outside showing. You understand? So now I'm going to try it here on the machine. You can see I bring out my smoking thread. You can see that this is my smoking thread under, and this is my thread, normal thread. You can see this is normal thread. Then you put it inside this way. Then you what? You bring down your slippers, your machine slippers. Then you sew. When sewing it, you drag it. You drag it. You don't leave it like this. You drag it when sewing it, so that the elasticity will show. You can see that you drag it when sewing it. Now, if you drag it, this is what you will get. If you drag it, this is what you will get. You can see this is the inside. You can see the inside, and this is the outside. So you can see how it has formed. You can see the way it is smoky. You can see it. That is how to get your what? Your smoking thread. So if you want it to be like a dress, you continue what? You continue smoking it. Are you seeing it? You continue smoking it to get a better what? You draw it. Continue drawing it, so that the elasticity will show well. You understand? You understand? You can see it. This is the down part where the smoking thread is, and this is the front of the dress, which is showing the thread. So that is it. That is how to smoke a dress with a smoking thread, and how to thread it with a bobbin. You understand? That is all. Thank you.